So I'm going through my Instagram and all I see is pictures of homemade mouth-watering dishes, a lot of people singing, getting back to music, a few of them uploading pictures of their lovely paintings, drawings, and it's like each one is doing something creative in their own style. But the question is, why? Why now? Why did we need a lockdown to remind us of the talents that we have? What were we really doing all this while? हम इतने busy क्यों थे? Wait up till the end of this video to get to know what really hampered that creative mind of yours. So apparently in 2018, Steve Wozniak, who's the co-founder of Apple, said that Indians can't be creative. He said that the Indian education system is based just around studiousness and doesn't encourage creativity. He in fact also said that he doesn't expect any big tech company like Google, Facebook or Apple to come up in India. He said that Indians lack creativity and that creative careers in India are not really encouraged. Do you think he was right? He said that the culture in India is such that it is based upon academic excellence and then having a good job and most likely a good life. He literally said that it's like just study, work, probably you'll have an MBA and maybe buy a Mercedes, but where is the creativity? Although he received a lot of harsh comments on Twitter, but this honestly got me thinking. Now a normal average kid goes to school from 7 to 2 and then around 4 to 7 is involved with some extra coaching. Then later busy with homework and has no energy to do anything else and then just goes to bed. So where is the time to be creative or design things? A little older college student manages to squeeze some time for social media during the day or late at night to relax. When Wozniak said that Indians are not creative and that success in India depends upon getting a job, he wasn't wrong because most of the population in India are job seekers, not job makers. Right from the start, we are all just told to study well so that we get a good job. Just to let you know about a few facts, the number of applications that were registered to apply for a railway job in 2019 was 2.4 crores while the vacancies were just 1.2 lakhs. Now 2.4 crore is approximately the entire population of Australia, which means the number of people in India seeking a single sector government job is equal to the number of people living in Australia. But being an Indian from a middle class family, I totally understand the reason why we have to search for a job. But I've also realized that we cannot ignore this creative factor. If we do, we will always remain job seekers. To give you some more stats, the current unemployment rate in India is 23.5 and over 80% of them are unemployable for any job. Now apart from disguised employment, being unemployable is a really big thing. This occurs only because we are just adding degrees to our hats without really knowing how to apply that. And to tell you the truth, we really never got a chance to do it. But what India has successfully done is that it has got into a rat race of copying. We saw Airbnb, we started Oyo. We saw Amazon, we started Flipkart. Not that it's bad to copy, but why are Indian brands copying when we ourselves have the ability to innovate? While I'm not endorsing any political party here, but the concept Make in India and the comment from Wozniak that Indians can't be creative is a big indication of what Indians really need to start doing. We need to realize that we need to start being innovative in different ways. But before you guys start blaming your boomer parents, let me tell you that they were innovative in their own ways because they are the ones who got the change from India being a purely agricultural country to a technological one. Now I know sitting here I cannot expect the whole education system to be changed overnight. Like I just can't ask marketing professors who are still teaching the students print media to change their syllabus to teach digital media because in 2020 digital media is the one which is in focus. But it is for us to realize that it is important for our creative mind to be active, which is only when you will be able to think out of the box. Now as they say, everything happens for the good was when he said that Indians can't be creative. He was not actually complaining about Indians. He was actually reminding us that we could be more creative. He actually gave us a subtle message and reminded us of our creativity. And for all the 2020 grads who are worried about their career, this is actually a very good time that you have got so that you can realize what really interests you. So next time that you want to be creative, remember that when everyone is in the rat race, dare to make a difference. Initially they will mock at you, later they will copy you. That's it folks for today. Hope you liked this video. Please do share this video with everyone who you think really needs it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit the bell icon next to it so that you're first notified when the next video is out. Bye for now guys. See you later.